Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Myself, Rajni Sadnani, your English teacher. Today, we are going to do chapter number 3. A cloak for swallow. In this chapter, we will learn how Owl and his friends helped Swallow to prepare for his long journey. So, let's start our chapter. It was winter. The snowflakes, soft as cotton, were slowly tumbling from the sky. Swallow was shivering. It was time for him to fly away. It's too cold here, he cried. I must leave early this time. I can wish my friends goodbye and then get ready for my journey. It was winter. The snowflakes, which is soft like cotton, were slowly falling down from the sky. Swallow. Now tell me, who is swallow? Swallow is a small bird. Swallow was shaking. Swallow ठंड में कांप रहा था. He cried. वो रोने लगा और बोला, It's too cold here. यहाँ बहुत ठंडी है. This time I have to leave early. इस बार मुझे यहाँ से जल्दी जाना पड़ेगा. Now Swallow want to wish his friends goodbye. Owl, I must fly away tomorrow before the snowstorm arrives. Swallow said. Can you stay in your nest until spring? Asked Owl. I have been even colder when my nest turns to ice. I don't like the winter, replied Swallow. Then Swallow said to Owl that he will fly away tomorrow. Swallow ने Owl से कहा वो कल यहाँ से चला जाएगा. Then Owl asked. फिर Owl ने पूछा क्या आप यहाँ स्प्रिंग सीजन तक अपने नेस्ट में रह सकते हो? Then Swallow replied, I don't like winter season. Swallow ने कहा मुझे विंटर सीजन पसंद नहीं है. I feel very cold when my nest turn into ice. मुझे बहुत ठंडी लगेगी जब मेरा नेस्ट पूरा आइस में टर्न हो जाएगा. Owl was worried that Swallow would feel very cold. The snowstorms would make his journey long and difficult. Owl hugged Swallow goodbye. Suddenly, Owl had an idea. He went to call his friends together. We must help Swallow, said Owl. How? Said Magpie. We could make a cloak to keep him warm on his journey, said Owl. The birds flapped their wings in excitement. Now students, Owl was worried about Swallow. Owl worried क्यों था? Because snowstorm. Here snowstorm means बर्फ की बारिश होना. Snowstorm will make Swallow's journey long and difficult. Suddenly, Owl had an idea. Owl को एक idea आया. He called all his friends together and said, We must हेल्प स्वालो। आउल ने कहा हमें स्वालो की हेल्प करनी चाहिए। देन मैगपाई। मैगपाई इज ऑल्सो अ बर्ड। मैगपाई आस्क्ड हाउ वी हेल्प आउल। Owl replied that we will make a cloak. Here, cloak means warm jacket. Owl ने कहा हम swallow के लिए जैकेट बनाएंगे। जैकेट पहनने से swallow को ठंड नहीं लगेगी। Just at that moment, moon was on her way up in the sky. She stopped to listen to the birds. We will finish it easily by the morning, said Swan. If we start now, we will have to work all night, said Kingfisher. So they gathered some feathers and began to weave them together. Moon shone down and gave them light. Now, do you know? आपको पता है? In the sky, there was a moon who stopped to listen. Birds. Moon birds की बातें सुनने के लिए वहीं रुक गया. Birds were talking that we will work whole night and make the jacket for swallow. They gathered some feathers. Birds ने feathers collect किए और cloak बनाना चालू किया. Moon gave them light. Soon the birds were too tired to continue. They looked down at the bundle of feathers. We still haven't finished and swallow leaves tomorrow. What shall we do? Cried Robin. Now the birds were very tired. Then Robin cried and said, what to do? Still we have not finished and swallow will leave tomorrow. Robin ने बोला अभी तक हमारा जैकेट नहीं बना है और swallow कल चला जाएगा. We will finish it tomorrow before swallow leaves, said Kingfisher. So the birds went home to sleep. The birds have worked hard, said Moon, but there is still a lot to do. She sprinkled her moonbeams and began to weave them. She worked till it was morning. Now Kingfisher said that we will finish it tomorrow before swallow leave. Then the birds went home to sleep. Moon was listening everything. She sprinkled her moonbeams. Now here moonbeams means rays of moonlight. Moon ने अपनी रेज से क्लॉक को मॉर्निंग तक कंप्लीट कर दिया. When the birds woke up early the next morning, what a surprise they got. The cloak was ready and it was shining with silver threads. Owl smiled at Moon. I also wish Swallow a safe journey, said Moon softly. All the birds rushed to Swallow's nest. Now, when the birds woke up early in the morning, जब birds morning में उठे तो वो सरप्राइज हो गए because the cloak was ready. जैकेट बन गया था and it was shining with silver threads. तब आउल ने मून को देख के स्माइल किया. Then Moon said softly. मून ने धीरे से बोला I also wish Swallow a safe journey. Then all the birds went to Swallow's nest. Look, Swallow, we have made you a cloak, and Moon helped too. I hope you like it. Put it on. It will keep you warm when you fly, said Owl. Swallow hugged his friends. Thank you. I will see you all again next spring, he said happily. And with that, Swallow set off on his journey, warm and cheerful. Then the bird said to Swallow, look, we have made a cloak for you, and Moon also helped us. Then Owl said, put it on. क्लोक को पहन लो, इससे ठंडी नहीं लगेगी. When you fly, Swallow hugged his friends and said, thank you. We will meet again in next spring. And then Swallow went to his journey, which was warm and cheerful. Now you understood how all birds help Swallow to make his journey warm and cheerful. Thank you. Have a nice day.